Hey guys, I look not the cutest right now. Pulling my hair out looks cuter. No, still ugly, but that's okay because today's video is all about looking pretty. I mean, you guys are probably like, where this bitch been? After I made my first video, the world blew up in other ways and we just like, I don't know, had Black Lives Matter. Everyone just started realizing like racism was a thing. That was crazy. Then, I don't know, Trump's just like always crazy. A lot of things just happened and it felt too overwhelming to come on here and like speak to you guys about beauty when I had things in my own reality that I was kind of dealing with. But you know, social media can be used for good. I raised over $32,000 on my Instagram for Black Lives Matter causes. I can link some of the organizations down below if you guys are interested in donating to those. So today, to make myself happy for absolutely no reason, I want to create a foxy eye for myself. And I've been seeing this trend all over. And today I think it's time that I elevate myself because I haven't put on makeup in like 3 months. I don't know, altogether have stopped with like beauty, except for skincare. I'm going to look at this girl's YouTube video. Her name is Anitra. I'm sure you guys have seen her. One of my friends, Quinn in LA, is like obsessed with her. The first part is her doing her eyebrows and now she's doing eyeshadow. Okay, so along with her video, I've kind of also seen other videos doing shading on the face. I think I'm gonna do shading on the eye first because I'm not gonna start with my base just yet. The only thing I'll do is put on this Bobbi Brown priming moisturizer just to make sure my skin is nice and primed. We're gonna go in with some Glossier boy brow. My brows don't know how to stay put. Then what I saw in the TikTok video is taking some concealer and extending part of your eye with a lighter concealer and then highlighting the inner corner as well. The girl didn't put on concealer underneath her eye, but like, hello. What else is concealer for if not under the eye? So I'm gonna do that. She also did some highlighting on there and right in the center. I look really crazy. I'm gonna spray some rose spray on myself. This is the Evelyn Rose Refresh Floral Face Mist. First on myself and then second on this guy. I don't want to blend it out too much. I think this is supposed to be highlighting, but we're not sure. I never do my makeup this way, like with lines all over my face. The next thing I saw to kind of deepen the illusion is contouring. This is a contour stick that I got from NYX. It's called NYX Wonder Stick Highlight and Contour. I never usually see a difference with contouring either. I'm flawless. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I don't see a difference. It's just not me. It's not my vibe. For today's look, we're gonna see if it's our vibe. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna deepen my eyes with bronzer, kind of enhance the contour effect. It would be fun to do some kind of brighter inner corner. I have this orangey shade from the Fenty Mimosa Sunrise. I think that looks very pretty and subtle. Now onto liner. So zoomed in, I look even crazier, but don't worry, it's all gonna be fixed. I promise. She's saying to kind of create a wing that is going up this way. So it's something like that where it's like lifted above your eye. Now I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I don't understand how people can just do this so easily. I feel like I didn't do it well. I made the line too thick. She just kind of went like that. I think it's more like that. But 2 lines, like I just did 2 because I think this line needs to be lifted higher. This side is definitely better than this side. I don't know, that's why it's makeup and we can just experiment with that. What inspired this whole thing is I went to the drugstore and I bought lashes because what else do you do when you're bored in a pandemic? I'm really bad at lashes and it seemed like this was a good opportunity to practice. We're just gonna go over the top line. So whatever line you felt was like most diagonal to your eye, you're gonna go over that with lash glue. I got natural looking ones because I don't want to look too crazy. I got a bunch because I know I'm gonna fuck up. I don't know why I thought this trend was for me, but I'm really trying here. This one's a little long, so I'm gonna cut. That's one eye. It does look very lifted and kind of cat-like. Wow. The next step of this is supposed to be that you fill in the gap between your eye and the lash, and then you look like a magical person. I'm gonna fill in the gap right now. We're gonna put on some mascara to mix both of my lashes. Hopefully that solves the lash problem on my right side. On this side, it looks perfect. The other side looks like not today, not having it. I should probably put liner. It's like, if this is what I have to do to avoid paying for an eye lift, might as well pay for an eye lift. I'm tired already. I'm just going to add a little bit of the Touche Eclat tinted moisturizer to my face. I know that seems funny considering I just like played around with my eye area and like put on all this concealer. I just wanna like even up my skin tone a bit. I'm just gonna put this with the under eyes. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in medium deep. We're just gonna bake our under eyes with this for like a hot sec. Going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in deep. We're just gonna like swipe that all over the skin. We're gonna reapply some of the bronzer onto the cheeks. The last step we're gonna do is add some blush and some lipstick and then fix my brows. I just feel like we were off to a slow start in the beginning and now things are really picking up, if you know what I'm saying. I will say my eyelashes just do not look as dramatic on the right side and it's really bothering me. Like these eyelashes need a little curl. We're gonna play with the brows a bit. I'll bring you that in a little bit more. This is the Micro Brow Wiz or something like that. Now we're gonna apply some blush to the cheeks. Lately my favorite blush has been this lipstick called Girl Crush. And it's by this brand called Sunnies. It's really popular on Insta. I actually usually apply my finger and then I just like tap into my cheeks. It's only in the Philippines. I'm just really looking for something like this color, but in a cream blush, and I can't find it. You guys saw me try the milk thing, and it was so clear, but this blush just looks like the perfect blush to the cheeks. Do you see that? It looks just really natural. What I was also thinking could be fun to make it like a little bit cooler is applying some of the Fenty purple stuff in between my bronzer and the blush. Now we're gonna go in for some lipstick. I'm taking this Maybelline lipstick in color Sensational Rich Chocolate, and then I'm taking Pat McGrath's Lipgloss in Flush Fantasy, and we're lining the lips. Sometimes I even go in with brown liner because it's deeper on the edges in terms of like contouring your lips. I just really kind of want that brown liner look with like a pink lip. The center is just gonna be really glossy, like 90s energy. The only thing else I would add is probably a highlighter. So I'm gonna go grab one really quickly. I'm looking in the mirror and I literally look like a next level human. I'm not gonna lie, like I kind of look snatched. This is the Maybelline Master Cone Highlighter. We are going to highlight those cheekbones, the nose bones, all those guys. The nose bones, is that a phrase? I'm also really in the market for a cream highlighter. I just like don't love powder in the summer. Wow, it looks gorgeous actually. I'm sorry this tutorial is all over the place, but doesn't that just kind of feel like our brains in quarantine? But I'm even gonna go extra because this is the most makeup I've worn ever. And do a little bit of the Cupid's bow and a little highlight on the brow. Okay, I think that's the end of the look. I kind of feel like I look better. Wow, is this Bella Hadid or is this Bella Hadid? I'm not really sure. I can really agree that like in doing this method, your eye really does look lifted because the lash and the liner makes it seem like that's where your eye starts. And then you also always have like the effect of the eye looking lifted, like no matter where you look. This is a little secret that we uncovered here. I wish my everything else just looked nicer right now. All right guys, thanks so much for coming along to this beautiful journey with me. It was a really fun one. I just learned a new hack. I'm sorry I keep looking at the viewfinder literally the whole time. And yeah, I feel a lot better than I did when I started this video. I don't know about you guys, but happy quarantine. Let me know other videos that you guys want me to film and I will go ahead and do that. I'm sorry I keep touching my hair. I'm not loving my hair right now, but I do feel like I'm Kylie Jenner, you know? Okay, I'm getting off the camera because I have nothing else to say. Love you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tyra Booker and TTYL. Fox Cat Eye Trend is approved. Peace and love.